I'm Rolf from Ban Chaniang. We are in a small village in the northeast of Thailand. Here, what we're making is seed balls. It's very simple. Ingredients are seeds. They are so tiny, you won't see them inside the mud. In fact, they are seeds from a specific type of grass that we are trying to introduce in our agroforestry project. What else? We have a little bit of garden soil, compost soil, and then also this one is clay. Clay in form of cat litter or dog litter, which is the cheapest you can buy in the local supermarket. And a little bit of water. We mix them together and we form these beautiful seed balls here. We're gonna let them dry for about 24 hours, after which they're gonna be very hard. They're gonna be hard like a stone. Then we put them in the fields before the first rain is coming. And the insects won't see them as seeds, so they see them as a stone. That's why the insects won't eat the seeds until the first rain is coming. The seeds are germinating, and then you have beautiful grass on a piece of barren land. This is important to cover the land with the grass before we plant the trees or while we plant the trees, in order to keep the soil moist. So the grass will protect the young seedlings from the sunlight. They will protect them from the soil drying out due to high temperature and the sun. So it's always important to keep the soil covered when planting trees, so that also no carbon will come out of the soil and go into the atmosphere. This is also another reason why to plant grasses when you do your reforestation project. Okay, another reason is when we plant very densely, like the Miyawaki method, which means we plant around 3 trees per square meter. It's very important that we have many different species of local trees, not only trees but also shrubs and local grasses. Okay, thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day. Greetings from sunny Thailand. Bye bye.